Hi there, I'm Arvin. Today I'm going to show you how to make this 2D chair in AutoCAD using all the commands available and applying materials to it. This is basically what we're going to achieve after the tutorial. And at the end of the tutorial, I'm going to show you how to render this object in AutoCAD. Okay, so let's start. Open and let's go to home. I always turn off my grid. I don't like it appearing. And type UN and I change it to millimeter. It's the unit I'm using. And let's start. First, we're gonna use this view control. Most of our drawing, we're gonna use this. It's gonna be very useful to us. So let's go use left and start. Start with a polyline and turn on ortho. F8 shortcut key. And type 550. And our polyline 45 mean 450 and forgot to turn off my snap is not working. Use this endpoint. Type 950. Here, gonna make a line 450. And erase this. And press F for fillet. And wages about 30. And okay, fillet this edges. After that, let's join this into one object and offset 50 inward. They're not here, but you're gonna put it in this direction and put a line. This fillet R and 0, so we're not gonna apply any ranges to that. If you double click on the middle mouse, you can zoom out this and another join object, select this, press enter. It's now one object. And if you press shift and middle mouse, you can now orbit in the drawing. And now we're gonna apply extrude or brush pull up to you. Enter and 30. Type 30. And I'm gonna copy that. Copy CP shortcut key. And I'm gonna copy that. Our distance would be 450. Okay. We have now our legs. And change it into wireframe. Conceptual. And you can see now a gray, light gray. And let's put it in top view. And we're gonna draw made a mistake. Back to left, and we're gonna draw another frame here. Turn off auto, F8, and 30. Copy the line that you made. Way to the right, and another line in the top, and the bottom. And we're gonna join this object again. Now we're gonna extrude it to the right. Okay, and we're gonna copy somewhere here. We're gonna make another object. You can type rectangle command and at 30, comma 50. And extrude again. Select your object and extrude. Copy this here. You can rotate this. Now copy it here. Okay, I'm gonna copy it. CP, and this is my base point, and copy there. Now back to top and go to surface. Use this planar surface, and there. We make so it's not sticking. We're gonna move it below, and we're gonna extrude this. Back to home, extrude 30, and apply a fillet command. Choose this fillet edge, and type it again, fillet edge, radius 10, there, right there, here, and here, Press enter twice, and there we have our home, whatever. We can change this into perspective. I move this too much. Go to left again, and you can now move this top. Move this. Move. This will be my base point. Then move it here. Now we're using the left projection. So now we're gonna make here something. We're gonna make a rectangle here. Press ortho 30. Copy your line again. You can press select cycle and press copy. Select your line. Use my base point. There. Copy. Make another line here. And then we're gonna join them again. And before we extrude, we're going to move it left and extrude. And apply a fillet edge again. Fillet edge here. And I forgot the radius. The radius is 10. Leave it 10. And you can turn off select cycle. Here, here, here. Just enter twice. And there. We have finished our 3D chair. Now we're gonna apply some material. Change it to realistic and matte MAT. Oh, my piece is slow. So here, material tab will appear. You can choose here from the Autodesk library. We'll choose wood and pick something I like. You can pick anything you want, but I'll choose maybe this yellow polish. Then you just have to drag. Oh, before that I forgot to union, or at the union command, join all the legs. Select and press shift and select this and this. Press enter. And okay, back to that. Here I choose this. Okay, it's applied directly to the object. And for the foam, bright fabric and something dark, maybe velvet. Velvet's fine. So there. So there we have it. Our 3D chair is finished, and you can also render that. Go to top and apply cam, and let you choose where. Press enter. There, go to front. I'm gonna move it to the top. You also click this. You'll see a preview. Change it realistic. You can type PR, properties, this camera, and in the field of view you can change it to something higher, 50, and maybe move this a little bit lower. And before we render that, type REF for render settings, and we're going to change this, maybe high, and okay, this front, change it to your cam 1. Okay, try to render. There you have it. You now have the rendered version of your drawing, and you can click this to save it in the format you want. So JPEG or anything, name it, 3D chair. One, and save. And that's for today. If you like the video, please subscribe, and if you have any requests, put it in the comment below, and see you in my next tutorial.